Welcome to my channel. Today's home remedy face wash powder. Take a bowl. Gram flour 1 tablespoon. Chia seeds powder 1 tablespoon. Rose petals powder 1 tablespoon. Sandalwood powder 1 tablespoon. Beetroot powder 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Transfer in a container. Benefits of the product: brighten skin naturally, cleans dirt, oil, and impurities, remove tan and improve skin texture, mild exfoliation for smoother skin, reduce roughness and dryness, give cooling effect, supports glowing and radiant looking skin. Use with rose water or raw milk. Apply in circular motion. See the difference in between 2 to 3 days. Now the face wash powder is ready to use. Always store in airtight container.